This is Mike Steiger with your weekly grain update for January 6, 2023. I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and let's get started in here on corn for the week. March corn futures ended up 1.25 cents at 6.54 Friday. Little bit of support from Argentina's corn not looking as good. Their good to excellent rating went from 15% to 13%. Temperatures are kind of helping that. They had a little bit of rain, but it's supposed to be really hot and dry going forward. So overall, for the first week of 2023, March corn was down 24.5 cents. Mostly that is just because of export demand being pretty slow. Mexico has been the largest buyer of our corn, and they've been doing a little bit, but it hasn't been a lot, especially enough to really make the market move much. But Argentina's corn crop's really the big thing to look at in the future. It's pretty stressed out, so should have a better chance to sell some corn before things get too bad. Hopefully that'll give us a boost in the future, but for right now it's kind of trending sideways. Not going to be doing too much. We're sitting right around that $6-ish cash range, give or take. Last week we had a bit of a bump, and this week it's coming back down. So on to beans. March beans closed up 21.75 cents for the week. Again, it's kind of bouncing off Argentina's hot, dry weather that they're having, and a little bit of rain that they had. It kind of just is a mute point. Overall, they're pretty sure still it's going to be a record bean crop coming out. We'll find out for sure, but record bean crop coming out in the future, it's not going to help us too much. So that's what people are a little bit hesitant on going too much on that. And wheat kind of has been down a little bit this week for near future. A lot of it's kind of hinging off the hard red crop. It's in the south. They got some rains scheduled, but it hasn't been a lot, so they're kind of sitting there waiting to see how we're sitting on wheat in the U.S. overall in the next coming month, and see how our stocks are sitting by then. Let's see. Next week, January 12th, is the WASDE December 1st stocks report and winter wheat seedings report. So that should be something to look forward to. Give us an idea on where stocks are sitting to help us kind of judge to see where we're sitting at and how much we got to sell export wise. Thank you very much.